Okay, I think I finally finished one half of the sewer drain line. It had a sag in it. It was backflowing, creating a smell in the house. At least, I think that was the smell. I think that's what's causing the smell. I did think it was mold. I eliminated the mold. Smell's still there. So I've been working on this for more than a year. Because there's a concrete, I had to tunnel underneath. There you can see daylight on the other side. The tunnel underneath to get it a downward flow all the way. I think I got it. It wasn't done very well to begin with. I also got this sweep out, which it didn't have that before. I had a T. So let's see if that makes a difference. Also added a clean out here. It didn't have a clean out at all before. And this is what I had to go through. Underneath this, here, 11 feet. Underneath this to here. This is what came out of the house. I did another clean out there. That one. And it goes down just ever so slightly down, but it's going down. Here you can see. And there you go. There you get a better idea. Hopefully, now if this isn't the cause of the smell, it's maybe because I have phantosmia. That is something like a brain tumor or some shit is making me smell smells that aren't there. Now another reason it may be that is because no one smells the smell in my house that I smell. It's kind of smoky, disgusting, oily, smoky smell. Like cigarette smoke or exhaust smoke and oil all mixed in. Now no one else smells this, but I did read somewhere that a clog in the sewer, making it back up, causing feces and stuff to kind of like sit in half of the pipe, could allow smells to seep into the house. Well, we'll see.